Hey guys, we'll be making some laddus today. I'm not a pro, but I do make it every year, almost every year, and I used to make it with my mom and my dad. So I think I have an idea. So it's gonna be very chaotic, very messy, so just be prepared for it. I think I'm just telling myself to be prepared. Okay, let's get started. So what are we gonna do? Okay, so first, by the way, I'm just gonna let you know that I've already cut everything that I needed. I mean, मैंने सारे dry fruits ले लिए हैं. This pistachio, gond. Oh, by the way, oh my god, I forgot to tell you what laddus they are. We call it biswar ke laddu and some people call it dry fruit laddu, gond laddu. I absolutely hate gond. I just don't like the crunch that I feel when I bite into the laddus. Anyways, I'm gonna still use gond because I called my dad and I asked him, is it fine if I don't use the gond in my laddu? My dad was like, no, you have to add it. He literally is so possessive about these laddus that, he just would not listen to me. And he's like, no, you have to add the gond. So yeah, we have gond here. And we have, basically all the dry fruits. Like we have almonds, cashews, pistachios, Chironji, Foxnuts, walnuts. We have dry coconut, pumpkin seeds, poppy seeds, and what is this? Ginger powder. Okay, we have this too. And of course, we have ghee. This is not a ghee that I usually use. I actually use a different one. It was not available, so I got this one. I still have that ghee actually, but it's actually not much left of it, so I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay, let's get started. I'm not gonna talk a lot. Okay, fine. We're just gonna light. Okay, I'm gonna add this ghee. First of all, ghee. How much? I have no clue. I'm gonna use a spoon. Okay. I am so nervous. Why am I nervous? I mean, my mom and dad have seen me make these laddus so many times. I don't know why I'm nervous. I think it's because of you guys, right? You guys are not gonna judge me. Are you? Is it enough, Ghee? Is it enough? Wait. You know what? I actually know it. I don't know why I'm acting like I don't know. I actually know it. I've made this like a million times. Literally. At home, I used to make it with my mom every year, really. You know it, right? I've made this before. You've eaten it. You've tasted them. How were they?
They're good.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start with... Okay, I'm just gonna let it heat. You know what? I really don't care about the laddus, to be honest. I just care about how I'm looking right now. Okay, tell me if I look good. How do I look? You know what? I can actually do with bad laddus, but not, looking bad. Looking good. Oh, fuck. I think I burnt it. Okay. I think it's properly heated, I guess. Yeah, so we're gonna add some gond in it. So I think they should pop. Actually, I've never used gond before in my laddus. तो मुझे नहीं पता ये कैसे crack कैसे होने चाहिए. I don't know. I think I don't have the right spatula, ladle or whatever to get it out. Let me just find something. Should I use this? I know I'm not supposed to be using steel in my non-stick, but I'm really sorry if I offended anybody. I think they're good now. Are they cooked properly? I don't know. Are they? And अगर थोड़ा बहुत ये जो non-stick layer अगर आ जाए खाने में तो I'm really sorry. I don't know. Okay, so now we're done. I'm so relieved that gond is done, dude. I think I'm very confident right now. I'm feeling confident now. I think I can do it. And I'm gonna be adding all the dry fruits. So yeah, this is it. This is almond. We're gonna add almonds in it. Cashews, pistachio, walnuts. My dad said no walnuts, but I'm still putting them. And Chironji and pumpkin seeds. And I think we're good. Let's just roast them. And I think we'll be done. So मैंने सारे dry fruits डाल दिए हैं. अब roast कर रही हूँ. I think in 5-10 minutes they should be done. You know what? My friend is saying this actually is not looking good in the scene, so I'm just gonna put it away. Aesthetic first. I'm gonna, I think, cook them for about roast them, fry them. I don't know what are we doing? Are we frying them, roasting them? What are we doing?
We're toasting.
We're toasting. What's happening, man? So yeah, I think it'll take 5 minutes. 5 minutes में हो जाना चाहिए. And उसके बाद मैं डालूंगी खसखस. That is poppy seeds. And after that, foxnuts. Let me serve. Okay. I don't think I should be roaming around while this is still on the gas. I think it'll get burnt. I don't know. Let's see. It's not. It's a cooking. What do you think? I think it is, right? When you cook for somebody you love. I think it is. Is it boring? Should we switch on the fan? Will it make noise? You know what? I can smell that it's cooked. I can just feel it. I think, yeah. You know what? To be honest, I'm just acting as if I don't know what I'm doing. But I actually know. I've been making this for so many years. At my home and here in Hyderabad. Away from home, I mean. So I've been making this for a very, very long time. I don't know why am I acting as if I have no clue what I'm doing. My bro knows that I'm really good at it. My mom knows, my dad knows. I'm just nervous because of the camera. That really is it. Am I fine? By the way, my dad absolutely hates walnuts. He likes to eat them, but he just hates them in laddus actually. So when I told him that I was gonna make laddu and he was like, yeah, tell me what you've got. And I'm like, I've got all these dry fruits and walnuts. He's like, walnuts? Why did you get walnuts? I'm like, because I thought it would be good if I add them because I'm adding every dry fruit in my laddus. And he's like, don't you dare add walnuts. I'm like, it's fine. I think I told him it's fine. It's not that big of a deal. And it's like, no, you don't. He's not even going to eat it because he's not here, right? But he still was very, very particular about it. He knows his laddus, you know. So yeah, I think I've toasted them well. I'm just going to get them out. And I'm really sorry if the kitchen doesn't look really clean or whatever. I know it's messy. I'm so sorry if you guys are cringing or I have triggered your OCD because I've just put this steel thing in my non-stick. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it really does trigger my OCD when somebody else does it. But I don't have any other thing to actually scoop all of this out. So I think I'm just going to do this. Yeah. I'm so sorry. It's like nails on chalkboard. I'm sorry. Oh, this smells amazing. Amazing. It smells of ghee. Yeah, and ghee smells amazing. It does, right? My friend is so bored. He thought I was gonna talk a lot to you guys. He thought that I was gonna be so entertaining while cooking, and I'm not. I promise you, I'm really, really entertaining and interesting in real life. I am. I swear I am. I'm not this boring. Okay. I'm not that boring, right?
Yeah.
You took a pause. You paused for a second. Why did you? Okay, whatever. Oh my god. I think, yeah, we're done. Okay, so it's time for poppy seeds. It's time for poppy seeds. I need to relax, yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna add these poppy seeds into the same ghee. We're gonna reuse it. I like a lot of poppy seeds. Yes, I do. You know what? I've heard somewhere that if you consume poppy seeds, then for I think an hour or two, you still can fail a dope test. Yes, fun fact. I'm not sure for how long, but yeah, you will fail your dope test. That's what I've heard. And I know I have read it for sure. I remember it correctly. If you consume poppy seeds, then you will fail your dope test. Yes. So let's roast these poppy seeds. You can search it. Don't make faces.
Is it even legal to keep it in house?
Yes. It's just poppy seeds. Oh my god. If it's not true, he's searching it, okay? If it's not true, I'm gonna be so ashamed.
So you can share the test.
You can? When will you be clear?
Up to 48 hours.
Up to 48 hours. Okay, so I was right. If you consume poppy seeds, then you can fail your dope test for next 48 hours. Welcome to the episode of Did You Know That? Why do I know this random fact? I have no clue. I know I'm not gonna be needing this much of Foxnuts. ये मखाना मुझे इतने तो नहीं चाहिए, but I think मैं बचे हुए खा लूँगी खुद ही. ये बचे हुए मैं 5 seconds wait.
What is 5 seconds?
When something falls, you have to eat it within 5 seconds of it falling. It doesn't get the germs.
But
No, I don't think that works that way. But yeah, dude, my kitchen is clean. I cleaned it for this video.
what is it?
Nothing.
What is it?
This is poppy seeds. Now I need atta. Dude, I forgot the main. You know what? I actually forgot to take atta out, wheat flour. Now I have to literally do it in front of you guys. Okay, I'll cut it. You don't have atta? Oh my god. Guys, I think I will make this video tomorrow. The rest of it. I think we don't have atta at home. Dude, we need atta, dude. Do we have atta? Let me check if we have atta. Yes, we have atta, and I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm not gonna measure it because I did not measure anything. Whatever is there, I did not measure anything. So, you know what? That's a thing about me, that I do not measure anything. I just go by my gut feeling. Yeah, it's actually, oh my god, thank you. Thank you. I'm very experienced in cooking. So I just know how much I have to add. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of atta. This much, I guess. Dude, no, more. You know what the time is right now? What is the time right now?
5:30 in the morning.
It's 5:30 in the morning. Okay, and let me tell you this one thing. Okay, let me just get my hair front. You know why? Because my friend told me to. So I actually started getting ready at 7 p.m. evening. And I thought I'm gonna make these laddus, I'm gonna make this YouTube video because, you know, I was like, I have not made any YouTube video in like past 2 years. So I thought this was the time that I should do it. And I started getting ready. I was so excited. Everybody was full of energy. And I thought that I'll probably finish it by 12. So I started getting ready, and then I just wanted to have coffee, right? And for some reason, what was I doing? I started getting ready at 7, right? What I was doing? I don't know. So yeah, then I wanted to have coffee. So we went to have coffee. We came back at around 11:30ish. And then, yeah, I was doing my hair. Okay. And then I was talking a lot. I talk a lot. I know I do not have a lot of words right now, but I talk a lot. So I was talking a lot. And I wasted my time. We weren't even talking about anything interesting, were we? What was the topic? What were we talking about? Why was I late? Yeah. Did you notice that I'm wearing these? Okay, so we're gonna roast whatever, this flour. And I'm gonna add some more ghee to it because obviously these laddus require a lot of ghee. And I don't know, why am I even making these? I don't even eat these laddus so much. Actually, I'm going to give them to my bro. So I'm going to save this ghee to add later because obviously we're going to need it. And yeah. Are you really from India? You will not find a single dessert in India that does not have a spice. Ginger powder. It's also called saunt. I think you've heard of saunt. Yeah. So it'll have like a little heat from ginger powder. I accidentally cut my finger the other day and I lost touch sensation here on this part. I think there's a little nerve cut, and I'm not gonna tell you the story how I did it. I think I'll tell you probably in the next video. I don't know if I make one. Okay, so now we're gonna be putting our atta in this. Atta डाल देती हूँ उसमें. And I think atta थोड़ा कम है. मेरे लड्डू थोड़े ज़्यादा है. मेरे dry fruits थोड़े ज़्यादा हो गए हैं. But don't worry about it. Like I told you, I have made this a million times. So I know what I'm doing. Meanwhile, I'm going to be roasting a little bit of dry coconut. And you know what? I don't know whether I should say it or not, or I think I'll jinx it. I actually felt I'm actually working on my music, and I was thinking, oh my god, I really need to get my music out because I think my coconut is done. I actually have made so many songs. I think 7 to 8 songs are done. I only need to release them, honestly, and there are like a few things that are remaining, so I just need to do this. I don't know whether I should say this or not. I did not want to jinx it, but yeah, I think I'm ready for my music, and I have made this pact with myself that I'm going to be releasing my music soon, within a month or 2. You will be listening to my music, and I know you'll love it because those songs are amazing, amazing. I wrote this one song that for somebody who I had a crush on. So I've written this song for that person. And there are so many songs. They're like, some of them are love songs, some of them are like sad songs. They actually kind of tell a story of my life. So yeah, I will be releasing them soon. I did not want to jinx it. I said it. If I don't release them, just keep reminding me, please. Please do. This is your responsibility. Coming back to the laddus. Okay, so we're gonna be adding some ghee in this. More ghee. I've actually made this paste from dates. This actually is a little healthier version of jaggery. I know it's still not that healthy. It's still very sweet, but I think it's still better than jaggery and sugar. So yeah, डालने वाली हूँ इसके अंदर अपने dates paste को थोड़ा health conscious हूँ मैं इतना भी. See, it does not really make a difference. Honestly, it does not. It is just to make me feel better. Sugar is sugar. आप कुछ भी डाल लो, आप डेट्स यूज कर लो, आप जैगरी बोल लो उसको, फ्रूट्स खा लो कि अरे मैं तो फ्रूट्स ही खा रहा हूँ, मैं थोड़ी ना कुछ मीठा खा रहा हूँ. It really doesn't matter. Ultimately, you're just consuming sugar, and that's not good. Okay, so it's time that we take these rings out because I'm just gonna be making laddus. We're gonna get our hands dirty, literally. And I just forgot that this finger of mine does not work. It's not even gonna feel the heat. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's get started. I think we will need some. God. My God. Thank God I didn't use this hand of mine. I would have burned my finger and wouldn't even know. See the consistency, dude. It's even better than good. Okay, so we're gonna try making laddus with just dates paste. If it does not form into laddus, then we're gonna add more jaggery and then we will add a little more ghee. No, first we'll try with ghee and then we'll add more jaggery. Let me go and wash my hands and then I'm gonna come back. I cannot handle this. I have to wash my hands. I am back. I'm back, guys. Okay, I'm gonna first dry my hands. Ouch! Why am I tripping? Okay, whatever. Okay, so whatever. These are my laddus. You see? My laddus. I know you like them. Okay, so I'm just gonna taste them and let you guys know how they are. I know they look amazing and I know they will taste amazing. There's this one thing that I have not added, that is haldi. But I think I'm fine. Haldi के बिना मुझे लगता है चलता है. खाते टाइम मेरे हाथ पीले हो जाए मुझे वो अच्छा नहीं लगता, तो मैंने इसलिए नहीं डाली. Honestly, this is the reason. I remembered that I had to add it, but I did not. So yeah. Which one? I'm just gonna pick the smallest one. I'm gonna pick this one. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna let you know how it tastes. Okay, I'm gonna have a bite from this area. Okay, it has the Foxnuts. Wow. Oh my god, it's amazing. It is so good. I need water. It's amazing. Wow. You know what, I need to give you this recipe in my description. Try it and you're gonna love it. You know what? Wow, this is the best dry fruit laddus I've ever tried. You know what? You will not even get it in a sweet shop. Trust me on that. Why is it so good? Is it because of this? I'm gonna give the recipe for sure in the description. Follow it and follow me. Tell me what should I make next. Don't mind if you think I did anything nasty because only I'm gonna be eating them and my bro doesn't mind it. So yeah. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe to my channel. Finish it.